the more you talk about mental health, or the more the people are involved in promoting mental health, क्योंकि mental health एक ऐसा ignored aspect of the society है कि जैसे मैंने कहा कि इट्स अ बिग टैबू टू इवन विजिट अ मेंटल हेल्थ प्रोफेशनल। जैसे पंकज सर ने मेंशन किया था, मैं पागल नहीं हूँ, मुझे डॉक्टर के पास क्यों लेकर जा रहे हैं। मैंने एक कोट पढ़ा था, कोट नहीं, कहीं तो एक मैंने पोस्ट पे पढ़ा था कि जो थेरेपी होती है, थेरेपी इज नॉट अबाउट मेंटल इलनेस, थेरेपी इज अबाउट मेंटल हेल्थ। if you want if you want to be productive, we need to keep our minds productive. Ultimately it's a mind and a body connection. आप भी खुद नोटिस करोगे, if you are physically active but you're mentally tired, you will not be able to do a task. And if you're mentally charged but you're physically tired, you will still not be able to do a task. It is very important to keep your, और जितना आप importance physical health को देते हो, उतना ही importance आप mental health को दो. And I really feel that मैंने पिछली बार भी आन्या के साथ एक लाइव सेशन किया था जिसपे हमने मेंटल हेल्थ ड्यूरिंग पैंडेमिक के बारे में हमने बात की थी. तो आई फील द मोर एंड मोर अगर हम ऐसे सेशंस करेंगे एंड ऐसे अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करेंगे, आई एम वेरी श्योर दैट ये जो लोगों के मन में जो स्टिग्मा है, जो टैबू है, बिकॉज एक्सेप्टेंस लोगों में लाना इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. समटाइम्स डिफिकल्ट, टफ नहीं है बट डिफिकल्ट जरूर है. क्योंकि हर वक्त होता क्या है, वी गो इनटू दैट फेज ऑफ कंपैरिजन that my child is better than your child, but every child is unique, every person is unique, every person has their own capabilities, or every person has their own strengths. And rather than saying it as a weakness, I would always say the person has an untrained strength. Weakness का meaning भी वही होता है कि we are trying to work upon it. So let's try to phrase it, and rather than calling it as a weakness, let's say that I have an untrained strength. So let's make people accept the fact that I am a person who is born with strengths and untrained strengths. I am unique. I am different. And I probably require different kind of attention to work upon certain things. It's okay. It's all right. But at the same time, अगर माइंड्रो ने अगर आपको ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है कि आप ओपनली आके आपके प्रॉब्लम्स शेयर कर सको, where your confidentiality is going to be maintained, I would really urge people to make the maximum benefit of this excellent digital platform, because ये ऐसा एक प्लेटफॉर्म है who is going to take mental health to an another level. And I'm ready to vouch for anything which with regards to mental health. So I will always be in, because mental health is not a destination, it's a journey. So we are all in this together. Our minds also sometimes become unstable. We just need to get them stabilized. If we ourselves can't get stabilized, we have mental health professional, and we as counselors also have our own counselors, because ultimately we are human beings. We've been told that mental health professionals can't have emotional problems, can't have problems. We do have problems. We also seek help. So interaction is something which is very important. So be vocal, accept yourself, love yourself, and give priority to your mental health. Thank you.